Hello again, everybody. Welcome to Breakaway C Box Break. This is for the 2013-2014 Panini Dominion Box Break number 44. Here's the last team up for auction. Here's Edmonton. So in the box is NE206-662-989. That's NE206-662-989. Good luck, everybody. So the base card for the Oilers of Devin Dubnyk, 80 and a 299. Got a Mammoth jersey card, 1 out of 50 of David Backes for the Blues. A nice hit for the Kings. It's a 49 out of 50 gold patch auto rookie of Tyler Toffoli. Got a jersey card, 77 out of 99, James Reimer for the Leafs. Awesome hit coming up here. Nice hits, patch auto rookie, 13 out of 25 for the Sharks of Thomas Hertl. Nice 3-color patch. Nice hit for San Jose. Then we finish out with a base card, 191 out of 299 for the Blues of David Backes. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.